y'all. So it is the 7th, which is Tuesday. It is 10:14 p.m. right now, and I'm honestly tired and I don't feel good, but I'm about to go ahead and start packing up stuff. And I'm gonna have my music playing in the background. This is my favorite, well, one of my favorite playlists. So I'm about to be jamming and packing, and yeah, I hope that y'all enjoy the video. And let's go ahead and get started, because I just been sitting here looking around, and you know, I think I got a lot of stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Where should I start? Closet. All right, let's go. And don't ask me why I didn't take all this home spring break. Cause look, I don't know. I should have. Look at all this. Too much. She got a thing for the plate. She got a thing for the plate. Young nigga ain't got enough with him, no one hurt. I'm finished cash on you, you gon' get out of that straight. I'm fuck you sideways, I'm leaving my juice on your shirt. I don't know if it's gonna go down. First thing, pack. Spin a big bag on me. I got a big bag that's pretty. My name her way, I'm superior. You gotta start thinking your period. You can't say no, I ain't hearing it. Alright, so the next thing we've been packing up is all these damn jeans. Alright, next one done. Side bitch, she ain't about shit, so I hit up there and let her do it. She don't put a nigga to expensive. Face down, ass up, smack her on it. She wants you to do it. Y'all, look at all this. It's from my closet. All right, y'all, we got a problem. I got it, y'all. Okay, so y'all, now that I'm thinking about it, I really should use the big luggage instead of those two. Oh, I think what I'm about to do is transfer everything over to this one. I think that'll be smart. Y'all think that'll be smart? I think it'll be smart. I think I'm gonna do that, yeah. Well, I'll see y'all in a few, in a second. How about that? All right, so boom. Packed up. I empty this one out. This one is still full. Can't wait to wear my dresses this summer. I'm about to try to make this fit. Right now, I'm just packing up all my products. If you're new here, I do sell lip gloss and mink lashes. And there's so many different colors to choose from. So make sure you go check out my website and get you some lip gloss, some lashes, so you can be popping. I wish I knew how to dance.
Things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years.
This about to be so heavy. If they doing it this year, because usually they send out a card or something, but I'm gonna try and see if they have a place where I can sell these books for some money, because I don't need these. All right, so this is what I got packed up. Oh shit, what I just did. All this is packed up. So this is what I have left. Stuff that I have to use tonight, tomorrow, and Thursday morning. See, I'm gonna go ahead and take my shower so I can just get my body relaxed down. And then I'm gonna straighten up because I don't, y'all know I have OCD. And I don't like for my room to look a mess. So I'll probably end up putting all this by the wall over here or either back in the closet. Just have it nicely stacked up because I can't be in a room like this. It just looks a mess. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it is now Wednesday the 8th. It's 5:45 right now. And I'm about to go ahead and get the floor clean. So this is everything right here. We about to play some music. About to play some Megan, Tina Snow, The Stallion, and we about to get it done.
Do y'all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on
Freak nasty motherfucker. Freak nasty. Freak nasty. I'm pretty sure when she left out of this room, she did not clean under her bed. Cause why is this dirty? I don't put nothing under there. Young Tina Snow going hard on the hoe. Playing fair. Felt so bad. I ain't choose being player chose me. Yeah. Boy, bye. Ha ha ha. Don't get mad, ho. Get a bag, ho. Don't get mad, ho. Get a bag, ho. Don't get mad, ho. Fuck a boat, ho. Don't get mad, ho. Get a bag, ho. That I can't do. You a damn fool. Today is move out day. So I would go ahead and take all this off this bed. final exam in religion class. This is my last exam. I'm done with the exams. I'm done with classes. I'm done with school altogether. Yeah, this is the answers that he had gave us last week. So I remembered everything and I took it A. So that's done. I hope that all of my grades turn out to be good. I already know that I have an A in sociology. I think I have an A in biology. I should have an A in core class, but I'm not sure about religion class or philosophy class yet. But yeah, so I'm done. My bed is clean, the floor is clean. Y'all, this is it. Everything is basically gone. I just have to carry that bag and that out. But I'm about to go ahead, go downstairs and get somebody to come back up here with me and check the room and return my key. And then I'm out of here. I'm really gonna miss this school so much. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlogs. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you do not have your post notifications on, make sure you turn them on, because I feel like some of y'all don't be getting notified when I first post a video. So make sure you have them notifications on.